1975 में मूवी आई थी द बुलेट ट्रेन। जापानीज फिल्म मेकर शिंजी हिगुची ने पाया कि उनका ट्रेन के प्रति जो इंटरेस्ट है, जो लगाव है, वो वैसे के वैसा ही है। इवन आफ्टर 50 years द बुलेट ट्रेन रिमेन्स हिज फेवरेट मूवी, so he decided to make its sequel. He injected same fast pace and high energy into his movie called Bullet Train Explosion. This is ready to watch on Netflix and it's a Japanese movie. What else we can learn from this movie? Let's get started. Hi guys, this is Niharika Thakkar and you're watching Learning Angle. In this video, I am going to talk about what you can learn from the movie Bullet Train Explosion. फिल्म की स्टोरी कुछ इस प्रकार से है। फिल्म में दिखाते हैं हायाबुसा 60 यानी कि 5060B नंबर की ट्रेन विच इज हेडिंग टुवर्ड ईस्ट to a certain station. East Japan Railway Company is contacted by a terrorist claiming that they have planted a bomb somewhere in the train and they claim 100 billion yen to be paid to defuse the bomb. अगर ट्रेन की स्पीड 100 किलोमीटर पर आवर से कम होती है then bomb will automatically detonate and kill everybody on board.
रफ्तार 100 से कम हुई तो बॉम्ब फट जाएगा।
तो ये है फिल्म की मेन स्टोरी। As you can see from the storyline that it's action thriller movie. Action thriller movie देखने की सबको ही मजा आती है। How Japan Railway tackled the problem of bomb on train. It's very interesting part of the movie.
एक बार फिर से सोच लो, क्या ये तुम्हारा बेस्ट प्लान है? हम सबको साथ मिलकर काम करना होगा।
जो मुझे सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग चीज लगी वो ये थी कि जो भी क्रू थे ट्रेन के, people who are in uniform, how diligent they are, how they follow the rules, how compassionate they are, how polite they are on polite to everybody on board. And it's not just because they are movie characters, but it's very Japanese thing. It's there in everybody. And मैं वीडियो में आगे वही बात करने वाली हूँ about Japan and its culture.
कुछ नहीं होने देंगे।
मूवी देख के यू विल नॉट बी सरप्राइज्ड टू हियर दिस दैट 2019 का जो ग्लोबल सर्वे था रेल रोड एफिशिएंसी का, द टॉप 2 प्लेसेस वेंट टू जापान एंड हांगकांग रिस्पेक्टिवली। एंड जो बुलेट ट्रेन दिखाई गई है उसको शिंकनसेन बोलते हैं। प्रोनाउंसिएशन परफेक्ट है या नहीं आई डोंट नो, शिंकनसेन बोलते हैं। एंड शिंकनसेन बुलेट ट्रेन्स आर द फास्टेस्ट एंड मोस्ट कन्वीनियंट वे ऑफ डिस्कवरिंग जापान. Japan rail network is extensive and the trains reach a top speed of 320 km per hour. This allows you to get wherever you need in little time. We should know that Japan is famous for cleanliness, politeness and high life expectancy. I am highlighting politeness over here. Politeness and social harmony are highly valued in Japanese culture. जो बोइंग दिखाते हैं मूवी में, this gesture उसको ओजीगी बोलते हैं। तो that is significant social gesture to show respect and gratitude and sometimes apology also. The depth and duration of the gesture is showing different level of respect and formality. For example, a shallower bow is used for casual greetings while a deeper bow is used for expressing deep gratitude or apology. The length of a bow can also signify the level of respect. A longer bow generally indicates greater respect. Posture is also important when bowing. It is important to keep your back and neck straight and your feet together. Men typically keep their hands at their sides while women clasp their hands in front of their thighs. Eye contact is also important. It's considered rude to maintain eye contact while bowing. It's polite to make a brief eye contact before lowering your head, but avoid prolonged eye contact during the bow. Timing and frequency is also important. Bowing is appropriate when meeting someone, saying goodbye, expressing thanks, apologizing, or receiving a compliment. It's also customary to bow in response to another person's bow. Second thing I want to talk about is why Japan Railways are so good. Strict and disciplined staff training plays a big part over here. जो भी high speed train drivers है, they are capable of reaching their destination within 5 seconds of their scheduled arrival time, and they are capable of stopping their train within 1 meter of their prescribed stop position. कैन यू इमेजिन दिस लेवल ऑफ परफेक्शन? जब कभी भी जापान में 1 घंटा जितनी भी ट्रेन लेट हो जाए तो वो अगले दिन फिर न्यूज़पेपर में आ जाता है। वो मतलब इतना रेयर है जापान में ट्रेन लेट होना। You must have noticed this kind of actions with verbal confirmations in the movie. This is called pointing and calling. The pointing and calling method is safety protocol used by Japanese railway system to reduce the risk of human error and ensure the trains operate safely. The method involves train drivers and staff verbally confirming the position of signals, doors, and other critical components before departure. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. आपने देखा वीडियो में कि ट्रेन लेट होना इज एन एक्सट्रीमली रेयर इवेंट इन जापान, बट व्हेन इट हैपेंस they take it very seriously. The train conductors will walk around and personally apologize to everyone on the train instead of just announcing it on mic. But that's not the best part. Even the delay is just over 5 minutes. They actually hand each passenger a printed proof of lateness sleep so that you could show it to your boss or school to know that it was not your fault of being late. Truly, Japan, the nation of manners.